Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a delicious gelatin. It's a Mexican style fruit gelatin. It's going to be a peach flavor and it will have some peaches, some sliced peaches. I'll show you how to make it right now. Okay, these are the ingredients you're going to need in order for you to make this Jell-O. It will be this packet. Okay, and this Jell-O packet calls for 8 ounces of hot water. So you will need to boil some hot water. And then you will need some sliced peaches. You can either get them from a can or fresh or frozen, however you desire. And you will also need a container and a whisk so that you can mix the Jell-O. And you will also need another container where you're going to be putting all your Jell-O mix in. Okay, here's the next step. I've got my hot water ready. This is 8 ounces. Just pour it like so. And then you start adding your Jell-O, your dry ingredients. You proceed to mix it with the whisk. Mix, mix, mix until it's very well mixed. The very next step is you're going to grab a spoon and you're going to put all your peaches onto your large container. You can put as many peaches as you want. You could even add a little bit of that corn syrup, peach water. It'll make it taste delicious, just a little bit. Okay, this is the last step. You're going to grab your Jell-O liquid and you pour it all over your peaches. Make sure you get everything in there. There's a little bit of the mixture stuck down here, but it's okay. Just pour it all in. It'll do just fine. Mix it a little bit. Now that everything's mixed together in my see-through container, doesn't this look yummy? Now all you have to do is just proceed to take your tray and place it in your fridge for a couple hours and enjoy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Bye.